Hello coders, as part of cybersecurity, if you particularly suspect that you have some corrupted files in your C drive in your operating system, so what you can do is that you can open the command prompt. It's better to run it in administrator mode. So run as administrator. You can simply run this command. It will scan and fix all the errors. So you need to type this particular command, that sfc slash scan now, sfc forward slash scan now, and then hit enter. So if there are some error present in it, it will detect it and it will just download the patch files from over the internet, and it will just clear out your system if there are any issues with your system OS. So it do takes some time. So while the verification is going on, let me pause the video, and when this verification 8% complete, when this process ends, I'll be resume the video, and I'll be showing you that at the end of this running this command sfc scan now, what are the error reports or what are the reports it shows. So let me pause the video for some time, and it's 12:37 a.m. by my clock. Let's pause the video. Okay, so a few minutes earlier, before I paused the video, it was 12:37. Now it's 12:39, and the verification process is still going on. It's 39%. So let me again pause the video and let's wait for a few more minutes. Maybe it takes 10 to 15 minutes. I am not sure. So let me pause the video. Before pausing the video, it was 37, and now it's 39. Now let's see when it finishes up. After it finishes up, I will be resuming the video. Okay, so I'm back again. So the last time I had checked, it was 39 in my system time, and it's now 43. So it nearly took 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Nearly takes about 7 to 10 minutes to, particularly run this particular command, that is sfc scan now, and it scans your system, and if there are any corrupted files or something like that, it fetches them and patches with your Windows computer. So this is a very important command to learn. If you want to, if there is a malware attack, or is there any viruses in your system and there are any corrupted files, to pull it up and make it run properly the way it is supposed to run. So that's all for this short tips and tricks on this cybersecurity topic. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.